Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Yannick Laubach and I'm the product specialist for machining centers and double color machining centers at Okuma Europe. Behind me you can see the all-new MA-4000H. The MA-4000H unites a highly rigid construction together with the usual high precision Okuma is known for. The MA-4000H is in standard equipped with a 2 APC. This offers high productivity with low downtime. There's the possibility of increasing the number of pallets. This further boosts productivity. The MA-4000's versatile spindle can be used for anything from heavy roughing to highly precise finishing. With its 302 Nm torque and a power output of 33 kilowatts, it can be used in all sorts of materials, ensuring a precise and fast finish. The machine is equipped with Okuma's thermo-friendly concept, intelligent chip management, and the OSP P500 control. This ensures dimensional stability, reduced maintenance, and eco-friendly operation, even in unmanned shifts. Discover how efficient machining meets sustainable productivity with the MA-4000. If you want to receive more information, please contact us at info@okuma.eu.